Scriptures by Guru Maharaj Sri K.R. Santanam.
Persevere in sadhana. Let the sadhana, spiritual practice, always be regular, continuous, unbroken, and earnest. Not only regularity, but also continuity in sadhana and meditation are necessary if the aspirant wants to attain self-realization quickly. A spiritual stream, once set going, does not dry up unless the channel bed gets blocked, unless there is stagnation. Be vigilant eternally, meditate regularly, annihilate the undercurrent of vasana, habit patterns. Patience, perseverance, courage, determination, discrimination, and dispassion are needed to tread the spiritual path. Put away thoughts, stimuli, perceptions, intentions, emotions, feelings, preoccupations, and deliberations arising out of the senses and the sense objects. The aspirant will attain supreme blessedness or the peace of the eternal. Keep the flame of thy aspiration ever kindled bright. Let purity, serenity, compassion, truth, and oneness manifest in thy thoughts and actions. Through penance, prayer, and meditation, the soul ascends on the divine chariot to the realms of infinite bliss, to God's halls of wisdom. Regularity is of paramount importance in spiritual practice. Spiritual aspirants must be arduous and efficient in performing their task without a break. Pray without a break. Have unshakable faith. Remember Vairagya, dispassion, and Abhyasa, constant practice. Prayer is the wing by which the aspirant fly to God. Meditation or intuition is the eye by which he sees God. Pray fervently unto the Lord. Pray for the Lord's light and guidance. Meditate on the great truth within. Strive ever to keep the self close to the divine center. Day by day, draw nearer unto the Lord. Strive inwardly to grow into the likeness of the divine ideal. Come out to the meditation. What are we doing in the room? Why have we shut the doors? Are we meditating or building sand castles? Are we planning or sleeping? What do we see with closed eyes? Darkness or some white spots? Is this our vision of God? Do not waste this precious human life. See God everywhere, in the sun, in the trees, the child, the cow, in the breeze, in the old man, in the running brooks, in the landscapes. She is not within our trikoti, eyebrow center alone. Can we meditate for 24 hours? Do not become tamasic or lazy. Do not mistake tamas, inertia, for sattva, divinity. Enough of our meditation. Thy cells are charged with heavy tamas. Come out and serve God in all forms. Here is a dynamic path of cosmic vision.